Today's I'm taking topic heterotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria, generally most of heterotrophic bacteria are decomposer beta. What is the meaning of decomposer? Break down dead and decay organic matter called decomposer. And by the process of decomposition, increase soil fertility, help in mineral cycle. Okay. Now, some bacteria are useful for human being. In our home, curd prepared by bacteria. Idli, dosa, batter is also prepared by bacteria. Bacteria also used for bread preparations, alcohol preparations. Antibiotics are also formed. Okay, but some bacteria are harmful, pathogenic, cause disease. In animal or plant, both. In animal, bacteria cause disease. Example, cholera, tetanus, typhoid, or in plant, citrus canker is the example. Now I am taking how bacteria reproduce. Bacteria reproduce binary fission, in which the bacteria reproduce by binary fission in favorable condition or in unfavorable condition. Bacteria form the spore. Bacteria also reproduce sexually by transferring primitive DNA. For example, I am taking here, this is the bacterial salval transferring DNA material. By transferring DNA, genetic materials. Look here. In sexual reproduction, primitive DNA transfer by bacteria. Cell wall. Okay, and this is the DNA. Yes, so during the sexual reproduction, DNA transfer in between the primitive DNA transfer between the bacteria and sexual reproduction take place. Now, beta, next I am taking mycoplasma. What is a mycoplasma? Mycoplasma, smallest, microscopic, and lake salval is absent in mycoplasma and survive in the absence of oxygen. Salval is absent and survive in the absence of oxygen. Also cause disease in plant and animal both. Now next kingdom I am taking here. Next kingdom, Protista. I already taught you about Protista beta. Unicellular eukaryote put in Protista. Unicellular eukaryote. Listen me. In Protista group, chrysophytes, dinoflagellate, euglenoids, slim molds, and protozoans are put. Are you getting my point? Protista form link between plant, animal, and fungi. Protista form link between plants, animal, and fungus. In Protista, like eukaryote, nucleus is present, cell membrane bound, cell organelles are also, some cell organelles are also. Okay. Now, first of all, I am taking chrysophyte. First of all, I am taking chrysophyte. Chrysophytes are also called the golden algae diatoms, found in marine habitats. Main producers of marine habitat. Diatoms are the main producer on earth. In diatom, it is also called the golden algae, microscopic and move with water current. Okay, in diatom, what happened? cell wall form too thin overlapping. Again, in diatom, cell wall form too thin overlapping shell. Too thin overlapping shell. These cell fit together like a soap case. यानी soap case में we remove two membrane. So in this diatom, cell wall form too thin overlapping shell which fit together like a soap box. And that shell soil is attached with silica is attached with silica deposited in which, so it is indestructible. This membrane is indestructible. After that of diatom, membrane shell collected on earth, and after millions of years in that area, diatomaceous earth is formed. After millions of years, diatomaceous earth is formed. Okay, and I already taught you diatoms are the chief producer, and diatoms are used for filtration of oil and syrup, and it is also used for polishing. Now the next I am taking, what is that? That is called the dinoflagellate. Dinoflagellate, beta. Dinoflagellates are found in marine habitat, in which special types of pigments is present. That's why green, blue, red, yellow in color. In dinoflagellate, cell wall is form of cellulosic plate. Okay. In dinoflagellate, two flagella present. One longitudinal and one transverse flagella. Dinoflagellate also secrete poison. For poison secreted by the dinoflagellate kill small aquatic animal like a fish. Okay. Dinoflagellate, red dinoflagellate multiply rapidly and form the red tide. In ocean, it form the red tide, multiply rapidly and form red tide. Okay, up next I am taking euglenoids. Euglenoids are found in fresh water or stagnant water. Fresh, stagnant water, euglenoids are present, and cell wall is form of protein, and that protein is called the pellicle. Okay, and where in which chlorophyll is present in the sunlight time. Chlorophyll is present, so prepare their own food with the help of photosynthesis. When sunlight is absent, work as a predator, kill prey. Example, Euglena. It work as a predator and kill prey in the absence of sunlight. Tomorrow, I will take next topic.